Hello everyone, this is my review of this Aochuan gimbal selfie stick. This 3-axis gimbal stabilizer is a fantastic tool for anyone serious about creating smooth, professional-looking videos with their smartphone. The stabilization is top-notch, eliminating shaky footage and making vlogs and recordings look much more polished. I also love the RGB magnetic fill light. It's a great addition that enhances the video quality, especially in low-light settings. The face tracking feature works impressively well, keeping me in frame even when I move around, which is perfect for vlogging or live streaming. The focus wheel allows for precise control, adding a cinematic touch to the footage. Plus, you can use hand gestures to activate the gimbal or the camera to record to rotate to track you as well, so that's a cool feature. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, this gimbal is user-friendly and delivers excellent performance. Highly recommended, and I hope this review helps.